15. This is the only 15 I got, I think. Is it deep enough? Yes, it is. All right. Now, is this loose? All right, it is. So when I break out, what the fuck? Got this side off, had to pop the actual entire ball joint out of the sway bar link. Just hope I can get these bottom ones, but we'll see. I have to do the same thing. So this is what I did on this side. Just took this and... This one is not coming out. Here's a piece of the other side though. Literally had to blow it apart. Get it nice and warm and see if... Fuck, man. So I quit recording because it seemed like every time I turned on the camera, something would happen. So I ended up getting this one off, and it wasn't too terribly hard. Doesn't seem like the Allen key is moving, so that's a plus this time. I have to torque that correctly a little bit. So I might not actually need this little ratchet. I lost the detent ball for this, so that's a bummer because, as you can see, it's not very easy to see on this floor if anything dropped, and there's a lot of specks that look like a little ball bearing right now. This is a 16. I think the other side's a 15. I think I might actually upgrade to the 1/2 inch for this side, and the 15 is already on the socket over here. But hopefully, I'll have a repeat of what's been happening. I can actually get this one off. There we go. Break out the electric ratchet. I'm tired of using these manual ratchets. Yay! So the other side, see, it's very right. These are different, actually, I believe. Yeah, these are definitely different. I had to replace one. Boogered it up when I did the lowering springs. Hey Alexa, what's the torque on a sway bar end link for a 2017 Focus ST?
Torque the sway bar bushing bracket bolts to 115 Newton meters, 85 feet to pounds.
85 foot-pounds? Holy frick. What? This is a 15 as well. Wait, was this a 16? No, they're both 15s. 16? Yeah. "46 foot-pounds. That's a lot better than 85 foot-pounds. Alexa, you don't know what you're talking about. No, I'm just kidding. Alexa knows what it's talking about. Just the website it looked up. It does not. Blame it on the website. I already forgot the number. 35. Wanna know what's better than 34? 35. Dang it. I hate it when I do this. By the way, this car got abandoned, so nobody's gonna own it anymore. And it is junk, so don't worry about it. I really need a smaller 15 or 16 on this. Do I have? $16? Come on, be a 16. It is. I'm definitely putting this in the cart now. Perfect. Why'd I not electric ratchet this one? Where's my electric ratchet at? Right there. Get over here. That's it. Alright. Click. Just kidding. It's got a beeper. 16 going in there. Alright. Time to clean up some tools. I was gonna throw this, but if I hit the window, that'd be bad. Alright, let's spray this stuff down a little bit. Get the rust prevention going. Do not want a rusted ST. Should probably check the hub spacers, the wheel spacers, but kind of don't really care. If it ain't broke, don't torque it. I think that's how it goes. Snap-on air hammer works amazing. I love this little attachment. Bought the set for $100, I think. 50 bucks. Got a bunch of snap-on attachments for it. But I am a Craftsman guy specifically because it's what I was raised on, so I don't really complain about it. Now when it comes to their electric tools like the ones I have, would not recommend them. So I got the car done. Overall, not that bad. I'm starting to wash it up. I don't know when the GoPro died, but I did the spark plugs, sway bar links, oil change, and now I'm just gonna get off all the gunk and the salt sprayed off the bottom, and like a goofball, I sprayed in the window, so I'm gonna have to dry that off. So just to recap, I did spark plugs, idling super well now. There's water on the belts, sprayed off the engine bay, so that's gonna be a little squeaky. But when I did the spark plugs, I measured them and they are 0.35 or more actually, because that's what this maxes out at. So no bueno. I wasn't getting any misfires, but I still don't trust the old plugs. So I went with these. High ignitability at blah blah blah. Here's the part number if you need it. But last time I went with the Iridium NGKs. Boosted boys for the win.